Welcome back to the channel. In this video it's part 2 of the brake caliper refurb. We're going to be fitting the freshly refurbed calipers back to the fork legs with some new caliper mounting bolts, some fresh brake pads to go in the calipers, and we're going to fit some new Hell braided brake lines, bleed the system up with some fresh brake fluid and bleed the system up. So I'm just going to get this bike on some paddock stands and we'll begin. If you're new to the channel, thanks for joining me. If you like the video, please consider hitting the like button, consider hitting the subscribe button and ring the little bell for notifications when new videos are uploaded. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button feel free to leave a comment and hit the subscribe button if you'd like to see more of what's to come on this build series. It would really help a small channel out. Bye for now.